Hello everybody and welcome back to Daily Y. My guest today is Daniel. He's a system architect at one of the world's leading technology companies. Our topic today is the recent news that China plans to build another 1 million new 5G base stations for 2021. But we will also touch the key topics of artificial intelligence, deep learning, and the future of data privacy.
But could you please tell us how exactly 5G can help Huawei to solve crisis right now, what it is experiencing, and also how exactly can change this situation?
In the current situation, Huawei is going to lose a lot of revenue, and they're in big trouble financially, especially because the US government told a lot of countries that they have to strip Huawei from their networks. But of course, for a networking company like Huawei, it is extremely profitable to provide the gear for a country, because once you're really inside that country and everybody uses your gear and your technology, it is very difficult to change to a competitor. So once the country really relies on you, you kind of own the country. It would be a huge amount of work and money and cost to transition to your competitor. So that would be a huge cash cow, so to say, for Huawei. And that's what they need, because they somehow need to get through this drought, this financial drought imposed by the US government.
What exactly 5G can help?
5G itself is just a technology for transmitting data over the air, right? So what makes 5G so special are the huge speeds that are possible with it. And that means that whole new areas of cutting-edge technologies and future technologies are only made possible by 5Gs, like automated driving on a large scale and Industry 4.0 of the future. Meaning that cars can not only see what's directly around them, but by communicating with the city, with the traffic controls, with other cars, they can somehow somewhat form a smart network. Like the birds, that you see in the sky, that they are all homogeneous, working together, and they can all magically communicate with each other. And that means that traffic accidents and the speed of all cars at the same time can be increased. Efficiencies can be increased because cars can wirelessly communicate with each other. But obviously for that you need huge bandwidth. And that's only possible really with 5G. That's why it's so special, because it will lead the world into a new era of data processing, data exchange, and AI technology. And so the financial aspect of it, of simply making money, that is right now for Huawei extremely important. But for China as a country, it is essential to be one of the leaders or the leaders of the new technologies that will come into in the future.